Hello everyone, my name is Raja Jamwal. I have built a gem that exposes the Rails console over the MCP. It works with any rack-based framework, Rails, Sinatra, Hanami, Roda, or anything which is basically built on top of rack. Think of it as a lightning-fast Rails console access for the AI client. No more writing helper scripts, no reloading them, and no restarts. It really shines when you are debugging customer issues as long as you have access to that environment.
Now, if you have access to a server with a read-only copy of the production environment, you can use it to debug customer escalations.
Let me show you how you can set up. First, grab the repo link from my GitHub account. Then in your gem definition file, add the gem from the GitHub. Then you need to do a bundle install. Once that is done, head over to the apps.route and require the needed files and mount the rack-mcp endpoint at /mcp. Just ensure that the route that you're adding is accessible without any authentication. The authorization is basically inherited from the namespace of where you're adding it. For this to work, it should be callable without any authentication. Now to add it to the cursor, go to the cursor settings and then to the tools and MCP. You have to click on add new MCP and add the configuration for the server. Point it to your locally running server and be sure to add /rpc at the end of the route that you are using. Once that is done, you should see your Rails MCP with the tool enabled. Now for the quick demo, first I asked Cursor to use the Rails MCP to return the number of teams. It called the tool and returned the teams.count. Next, I asked which team has the most users. Cursor generated the right code and ran it and returned the team with the highest user count. Then I asked for the full history of the user action events for the most recently created user. Cursor queried the user table, fetched the user and listed all their action events. Oh, it even figured out that all the actions were created within split seconds, and all the actions were likely part of a seeding data or onboarding flow. It also hit a couple of errors along the way, but it auto-corrected and completed the task all by itself.
Now in this demo, I have the Rails MCP connected to a read-only instance of the production environment, and I pasted a customer escalation into the cursor and asked it to use Rails MCP for debugging. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.